How to fix update error 0x800F0922 in Windows 11. Is a Windows 11 update failing with error 0x800F0922? This frustrating issue can be caused by system file corruption, .NET framework issues, insufficient system reserved partition space, or network problems. Today, we'll walk you through the most effective ways to fix it. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Initial checks and prerequisites. Before you start troubleshooting, make sure you have the basics covered. Internet connection. Ensure your computer has a stable internet connection, preferably wired for better stability during updates. Administrator privileges. Many of these steps require elevated permissions to run commands. Backups. Always create a data backup or a system restore point before making major changes. You can create a restore point using Windows PowerShell if needed. Windows 11 ISO, optional. Have a local copy of the Windows 11 ISO ready for advanced repairs, especially when using DISM for offline servicing if online repair fails. Core solutions for common causes. Now for the solutions to the most common problems. Free up partition space. Insufficient space on the system reserved partition can cause this error. Use a third-party partition tool to expand it to at least 500 megabytes, ensuring recovery and primary system partitions remain untouched. Always back up data before modifying partitions. Repair .NET framework. Broken .NET installations are a frequent cause. You can repair it by unchecking and re-enabling .NET Framework 3.5, includes 2.0 and 3.0, and .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Services in Windows Features, or by using the DISM tool with a mounted ISO. Repair corrupted files. Use the built-in DISM and System File Checker tools to fix corrupted system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health, then run sfc/scan now, fixing update components and connectivity. If the previous steps don't work, the issue might be with the update process itself or your network. Reset Windows Update components. This clears corrupted temporary files and reinitializes Windows Update services. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Stop the Windows Update services by running a series of net stop commands for WUAU-serve, crypt-svc, bits, and MSI server. Rename the software distribution and catroot2 folders to softwaredistribution.old and catroot2.old. Restart the services using net start commands. Check network and firewall settings. Ensure no third-party firewalls or VPNs are blocking Windows Update servers. Temporarily disable any VPNs and try the update again. Test your connection by running a ping command to windowsupdate.microsoft.com in Command Prompt. The 0x800F0922 error has many possible causes, but it's not without solutions. By following the troubleshooting steps in this video, from simple checks to advanced diagnostics, you can resolve the issue. These fixes help IT admins ensure that Windows 11 devices stay updated and compliant. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to fix update error 0x800F0922 in Windows 11, linked in the description below.